Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. If you are opening this option for the very first time, simply tap on digital well-being, and as you can see right in the middle we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So we can check that I've been using it for 25 more minutes than yesterday and I've been using it for 25 minutes. What's more, here we've got listed all particular apps, maybe not all, but 3 particular apps on which I've been working. And here, in order to check more details, you can either tap on the graph itself or on the particular app. So after tapping on the graph, you will be transferred to the dashboard of the whole screen time, and you will be able to check particular days. And of course, you've got again listed apps. What's more, here you've got notifications received and times opened. Actually, times opened unlocked. Or as I said, you can tap on particular app, and thanks to this you will have the dashboard which is directly connected to this particular app. So also the notifications and times opened. So let me get back. This is how to check some further details about the screen time, and under it you've got some options. So you can set the goals, you can set the screen time goal and app timers. You've got also ways to disconnect, which is quite cool option because you can pick the bedtime mode, work time, me time, or you can add another one. And it basically means that you will be able to schedule the apps and actually the notifications which you will receive. So if you feel that you've got a lot of apps which are distracting you and you need time for yourself, you need to work, or you just want to rest, then you can disable them. I mean, your device won't notify you about any notifications from particular apps. And if you'd like to enter the parental controls, you can do it right here. So actually, as I said, this is how to check total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.